Welcome to Suvi Education. Today you will learn second lesson The Tsunami Part 1 of your book Honeydew of class 8. Before you read, there are some statement. First rewrite the incorrect ones after correcting the mistakes. So before that, first of all, we see that this is the map of a Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman portion is this, and this is a Nicobar Island. Kachal is an island. Kachal here, this is a small island here. Kachal. It is part of the Andaman group of island. This is the part of a Nicobar group of island, not Andaman. So here, Nicobar group of island. Nancowry is an island in the Nicobar group. The Nicobar group, Nancowry here, over here, and this is a Kachal. Kachal and Nancowry are more than 100 miles apart. The distance between these two are 100 miles apart. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are to the west of India. No, this is the east of India. In the west of India is Pakistan. The Nicobar Islands are to the north of Andaman Island. The Andaman Island here, and this is Nicobar. So this is the south side, not north side. So here also the some correction. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquake. Generally, tsunami comes only when there is a earthquake under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India such as Andaman and Nicobar Island and Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. Did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? So there may be so many stories that the animal senses the natural calamities. So here you will learn some stories. These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Archipelago means a group of many islands and surrounding sea. Igneous was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. Igneous, he was the manager in a cooperative society in Kachal here, the Kachal portion here. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. His wife felt an earthquake, then she woke him up at 6 a.m. Ignatius carefully took his television, sat off its table, and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. So carefully he put it down on the ground, television set. Then the family rushed out of the house. After that, his family came out from the house. And the tremors stopped. Tremors stopped. Tremors means shake, small, a slightly shake. Earthquake tremors means earth shakes during an earthquake. Stop. They saw the sea rising. When the tremor stopped, after that they are seeing the water level of sea is rising up. In the chaos and confusion. Chaos means complete disorder of confusion. Two of his children caught hold of hands of their mother's father. Mother's father, Nana. And mother's brother is Mama. and rushed in opposite direction. So they came out from the house, their two children, mothers, their nana and mama. They move out from the house and goes in different direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away, gone with water. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. Only three children saved. The next story, Sanjeev was a policeman serving in Kachal Island of Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife, and his baby daughter from the waves. Somehow he has saved his wife, his daughter from a heavy waves of water. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. After some time, or this guest house cook, Mr. John's wife, called him for help. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her. Sanjeev, he was a policeman, so he jumped into the water to save her, but they were both swept away, gone with the water. Next story is there. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. Meghna, the 13-year-old girl, gone with the water along with her parents and 77 other people. He spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. One wooden door was also flowing on the water. Just she hold that wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters. Relief helicopters means helicopters bringing help to people during flood overhead, but they did not see her. So they have not seen her. She was brought to shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a daze. Daze means unable to think or react properly. So she was in the water for 2 days. That's why she was in the great shock and unable to think or react properly. This is the next story. Almaz Javed was 10 years old. Only 10 years old, Almaz Javed. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother, Rahila's home was in Nancowry, Iceland. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. They have gone there side on because it was happened on 26th December and 25th December is Christmas. So that's why they have gone that side to celebrate Christmas. And the tremors came early in the morning. The family was sleeping. Alma's father saw the sea water recede. He understood that the water would come rushing back with a great force. He woke up everyone and tried to rush them to a safe place. As they ran, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. So her grandfather was hit something and fell down on the ground. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave, very big wave that swept both of them, swept gone with the water. So they have gone with the water. Alma's mother and aunts stood clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree. Clinging means holding tightly. Alma's mother and aunts stood clinging to leaves of a coconut tree, calling out to her. A wave uprooted the tree. At that time, there so many trees was uprooted, and the two were washed away, and they also gone away with the water. Alma saw a big log of wood. There is a big log, the log of a wood floating. Climbed onto it. Then she fainted. After she fainted, she's become unconscious. When she woke up, she was in a hospital in Kamor. From there, she was brought to Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. Traumatized means greatly shocked and distressed. So, due to this, you have a great shock and distress also. That's why she was not able to talk to anyone about the incident. Now, there is a comprehension check. Some of these phrases are there. These all phrases have come within this paragraph. So, you will write true or false against each. First one is here. Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law, and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. It's true. Sanjeev made it to safety after tsunami. No, he made it safety before tsunami, so it's a false. Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. No, he was not saved by a relief helicopter. Again, it's false. Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. True. Her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. Yes, true. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it, press the bell icon and subscribe Savi Education for more educational videos. Thank you.